Hello everyone, my name is Karl Stover. I am currently an FFA advisor and agriculture education teacher at Ellsworth Junior Senior High School. I grew up right outside of Beloit, Kansas on a small family farm and ranch. I grew up every day going and hanging out on the tractor with my dad, working fields, chasing cows, and being a part of 4-H, and really enjoying my time with my family and my friends that I developed throughout the livestock showing industry. As I grew older, I actually went to Hutchinson Community College on a livestock judging scholarship. After attending there, I transferred to K-State to be on their livestock judging team. And as you can tell, livestock judging and livestock is a big passion of mine, and I've kind of kept with that. From Kansas State University, I actually graduated with a bachelor's in agriculture. My specialty areas were actually in two. I finished out with a bachelor's in agriculture education and then also animal science and industry with a production option. Upon graduating, I actually came to Ellsworth High School, and I've been here since the fall of 2012. Been quite a while. I really like it here at Ellsworth. I like the community. I have a really supportive group of adults who want to see the FFA chapter succeed and the ag program grow. At Ellsworth, I'm involved in a variety of different items. I'm the FFA advisor, of course, but also I am on the KISA, the at my building, but also the district level too, and I'm actually on the KISA Hoisington team, where I actually go over and look at their school and help build that portion of their KISA plan for them. Also, I'm on the PDC committee and really enjoy being a part of that and kind of working with other teachers on how they grow up and develop as individuals and getting that extra training. My personal goals, you can probably imagine that it's all about the farm and livestock and my family. So of course, family is number one to me. I want my family to be really open and really enjoy my time with my family. I have a wonderful mom and dad. I have a lovely husband, and I've got older brothers, and I've got some nephews, and I love spending time with them. Maybe even grow my family eventually, but we'll see. And that's a big portion. That's the 1 to 5 years, that's the 6 to 10, but it's also the beyond. Family is number one priority in my life. After that, my personal goals all revolve around the farm and my personal business. I run the family farm pretty well now. I'm the owner-operator. My dad has started to retire, and he now just helps me a little bit here and there. But I've actually started purchasing the land, been buying my own cows, and been selling them as purebred shorthorn replacements and then show cattle, specializing in steers and heifers. I'm trying to get into the bull business too, but we'll see that kind of where that goes. Currently, I'm right at about 22 head of cows and bulls, and over the next 10 years, I really hope to see my herd grow. Since I started teaching, I've actually already over doubled it, but I've been paying as I go. Been trying to take out as few farm loans as humanly possible. The next 6 to 10 years, I'd really like us to see to be big enough to start showing at a national level just for our farm. Right now, currently, we work with a lot of showmen who show at a local, state, and national level, but I want to see our farm grow to be big enough to get out and actually showcase our best stock at the national level, like Denver, the Royal, maybe even some Texas shows in Louisville. Beyond 10 years, I really hope that I'm able to purchase some more quarters of land and start picking up more pasture, because that's actually my biggest limiting factor right now on how many cows I can have. Is because you got to have the grass and the hay to feed the cows before you buy them. And we've been really particular about that and trying to find good livestock, but also have the right amount of food to feed those livestock so we can have quality animals and we can have a quality program that's willing to work with young people, but also commercial cow-calf producers who are looking to add some purebred genetics into their herd. Onward to my professional goals. The next 1 to 5 years, I really hope that I can transfer into an administrative role at my high school. I'd really like to stay in the Ellsworth district. I really love it here. I love the people I work with. Um, I would really like to see that actually in more of like student success and career administrative position where I work on setting up job shadows, interviewing days, career days, budgeting experiences, and actually just work on the soft skills of students plus making sure that they're career ready. The next 6 to 10 years, I can actually see myself probably moving into a vice principal or a principal role in terms of leadership. Probably the one thing I don't want to be is an athletic director, but I guess if the opportunity arises, I am sure I'll rise to the challenge. Beyond 10 years, I don't know where I'll be in beyond 10 years, to be honest with you. I hope I'm still in education and helping students and seeing them grow and be successful, but I guess only time will tell. I guess the sky's the limit for me, and I don't like, I guess, pinpointing myself to one specific area. I want to grow as a person too. So why did I choose Fort Hays State University? Probably the number one reason is because it was affordable. I looked at a lot of different master's programs, including in-state. One of the ones I looked at was K-State, their agribusiness program, their master's in agribusiness. And then I also looked out of state at Texas A&M, Texas Tech, OSU, and then Iowa State at some of their agriculture positions and their education positions. But I found Fort Hays was probably the best opportunity for me because it was in the state of Kansas. I would get in-state tuition. It was a lower cost option, and I wanted to float my way. I did not want to take out any more school loans. I got them paid off actually before I started my master's degree. Also, my husband graduated from Fort Hays, and he told me that it was a good school. He told me that the instructors would care, that they would work with me, and for me, it was just the best fit option at the time. So far, I've really enjoyed my classes that I've taken through Fort Hays. I've liked pretty well all my instructors, and I've learned a lot throughout my time. I'm excited to kind of finish up my master's program and move into more of an administrative role at my school, if that's possible. Overall, I'm just excited about the future, and I'm excited about my chance to help students. Thank you.